Financial freedom is more than just a dream, it's the ability to live life on your own terms without worrying about money. Achieving it requires discipline, planning, and action. Here are 5 proven strategies to help you unlock financial independence and build the life you deserve. 1. Master the art of budgeting. A budget is your blueprint for financial success. Track your income and expenses. Know exactly where your money goes. Prioritize your spending. Focus on essentials, savings, and investments before discretionary expenses. Use budgeting tools. Apps like Mint or YNAB can help you stay on track. Reassess regularly. Adjust your budget as your income and priorities change. Budgeting creates a clear roadmap and ensures every dollar has a purpose. 2. Build and maintain an emergency fund. An emergency fund is your financial safety net. Start small. Aim for $1,000 initially, then grow it to cover 3-6 months of living expenses. Use a high-yield savings account. Earn interest while keeping your funds accessible. Make it untouchable. Only use it for true emergencies like medical bills or unexpected repairs. This fund protects you from debt and financial stress during unexpected life events. 3. Invest early and consistently. Investing is the fastest way to grow wealth. Start now. Even small amounts can grow exponentially with compound interest. Choose diversified options. Index funds, ETFs, and mutual funds reduce risk. Maximize retirement accounts. Contribute to 401ks, IRAs, or other tax-advantaged plans. Automate contributions. Regular, automated investments ensure consistency. The earlier you start, the more your money will work for you. 4. Create multiple streams of income. Relying on a single income stream limits your potential for financial freedom. Explore side hustles. Freelance work, selling products, or content creation can add extra cash. Invest in passive income. Rental properties, dividend stocks, or royalties generate income with minimal effort. Upskill for career growth. Higher skills often lead to better paying opportunities. Diversifying your income reduces risk and accelerates wealth building. 5. Eliminate high-interest debt. Debt is one of the biggest obstacles to financial freedom. List all debts. Organize them by interest rates and balances. Use a debt repayment strategy. Avalanche method. Pay off the highest interest debt first. Snowball method. Pay off the smallest debt first for quick wins. Avoid accumulating new debt. Live within your means and use credit responsibly. Being debt-free allows you to redirect money towards savings and investments. Bonus tips for success. Educate yourself. Read books, take courses, or follow financial experts to deepen your knowledge. Surround yourself with like-minded people. Join communities focused on personal finance and wealth building. Be patient and persistent. Financial freedom is a journey, not a sprint. Achieving financial freedom is within your reach if you follow these strategies consistently. By mastering your budget, building a safety net, investing early, diversifying income, and eliminating debt, you'll pave the way to a stress-free, prosperous future. Start today. Your financial independence is closer than you think.